I guess I have oxypoo. I have a lot of oxypoo. Hello beautifuls, Allah saliti, y'all, welcome back to my channel. In case you know me, hey there, hi there, yo, it's all better, simply better. So today, as you can see by the video title, it's just my hair and 5 different buns. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and let's just get right into the video. My hair is just mercy, pardon me. So the first bun that we're gonna make is the top bun. Okay. I'm so happy to make this. Oh my god, my eco gel is actually left with a bit, and I don't know how this is gonna reach, but let's just see. I'm sure it's gonna reach, right eco gel, eco gel. I did a parting, so we're just gonna close the parting basically with a comb. If you don't have comb, go get some. Like, just go get some. Look, if you think thick and long hair is easy to comb, madam, say it isn't. It isn't easy at all. It's really tough combing. It's really tough. So those who want to grow their hair very long, I'm sorry. If you don't know what they've been hiding from you, then I'm letting you know, because long hair, having long thick hair like a black girl's own, I'm not being racist here, but if you don't know what it takes to grow long hair, madam sir, just stay away, because the treatment that you're gonna give to only this hair, y'all don't understand me. Wait till you grow your hair too. I'm just trying to comb everywhere because I'm just tired of knots. I'm gonna show you the hair I lost at the end. Remind me to do that. Now it's like this bit. Let's comb it more. Just remember, don't just comb your hair like I did. Make sure to moisturize it with oil, maybe shea butter or wood. I prefer oil and water before you start combing. I guess at this moment it's going, yeah, it's going, but I haven't really combed it well. It's just something, you know, it's something. Oh my god, I remember back in SHS, yeah, I wanted someone to braid my hair for me. I went to a certain senior. I went to her to braid my hair for me, and when I reached there, can you believe it, she was using a similar comb like this. It was tougher than this one, and that was my favorite comb. She didn't intentionally did that, but it got broken. I know you guessed that, it got broken. Let's just start this thing. I like talking a lot. It got broken, which wasn't supposed to happen. It got broken, and she has to use these smaller spaced comb for it. Really my darling, you don't do that, you don't do that. Okay, so we'll move. I'm looking like a baby now. Ow, echo jow. All of a sudden my eyes are just popping. It's my brush, and it's a 4C type, so sometimes it's tough for me to make it lie down. This is so neat. I'm in love. I haven't made such a thing like this on my hair before. I'm doing it because of you guys. This is cute. Ain't gonna lie, this is cute. Yeah, boy. Comment down below your thought. This is so cute. This is perfect. I guess I have oxypoo. I have a lot of boxy braids. This is perfect. This is perfect. I've never done something like this before. This is really perfect. Second is the side bun. Oh, it's gonna take my hair. Oh no. I'm looking like a set cartoon. Which cartoon am I looking like? If you know, which cartoon am I looking like? I'm looking like, I don't know the name, but it's this cartoon that is a stick, it's a branch. I think it's a stem rather, and it has hands. I don't know the name of the cartoon, but bet me I look like that. I've not tried this before, so if I get it wrong, you let me know, okay? This is gonna look cute. This is a bad idea, company, but you know, it looks good. Beauty is pain.
Oh my god! Wow!
So let's go with the ribbon. Let's see what's up. This is freaking cute. I want you to try this out. Tag me and we'll move, baby. That is the buck one. I have a favorite. That will be the last one. Yeah, that will be the last one. So watch till the end, okay? Let's just start with eco gel. This eco gel is gonna be done by the end of the video, trust me, because the way I'm using it is too much. I look like a madman at this point of time. Why is it white here? That's not nice. That's just basically it. I love it. I love it. I really do. I'm gonna do edges on the last one, so watch out, okay? Watch out. So next is actually two buck bun. I don't know really if this name exists somewhere, but you're gonna see it. I know it's a bun and it's two and it's at the buck. So this is where we're gonna do the party. Oh, this is so smooth when you apply gel to read and you part. Oh my god, this is so neat. I'm gonna start doing that. So me parting, I'm just using my mind to part at the back. I'm gonna let you see. I don't know whether it's a straight line, but so here we go. Let's just take it like that, okay?
Not knowing what to do.
Put it at the back. Let's say let it come a bit like here. It's just easy to handle because it's just half of my hair, but it's not easy to handle when it's full volume. This is so cool. Look at me suffering for you. I'm sure that's my favorite. I've never ever tried such a thing before. They used to call me Mickey Mouse, they used to call me Barbie doll back in SHS, and all sort of names. This is so a Barbie doll. Oh my gosh, we're gonna comb now. Ding, 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 ding. I'm gonna start doing this one. That's so pretty. That's so pretty looking. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty. We're gonna do the same for here because why not? Cover it. Cover it up. Cover it up. Cover it up. This is easy looking. But it is. I don't know why this white stuff's on my hair, but it looks good, isn't it? It looks good, y'all. Last type of burn. That is my favorite. Okay, but this is my favorite too because I've never ever tried this before, but it turns out to be good. So let's go for my favorite. It's already parted, so we go on and do this. It's just like a top bun, but this is a two bun. If you don't know, this is a two bun. I'm just not gonna apply anything in it because I've applied more already. So quick because that's my favorite. Remember the story on this one? When I first unraveled my hair when I was back in SHS, and someone was supposed to do my braiding for me. She started braiding. She was like, she knows how to braid or whatever. So I trusted that person. Just style it and you can't do anything to it. So you see how it is? It's so easy. It's so perfect. You're still my favorite. You're still my favorite. I mean, my hair is still my favorite. So we actually didn't really lose more hair. We lost just this little bit. And I thank God because why not? So we're gonna do edges. I told you that we're gonna do edges at the end. I'm not really perfect, so allow me. Allow babes. Allow beautifuls. Allow. Jeez, why did you get some? That's a whole lot of baby hair. Jeez. You're pulling all your hair, baby. You're pulling all your hair. Let's see what mine's gonna do. Let's see. So it actually didn't finish. I thank God. Thanks to Echo Gel, it didn't really finish. So we're gonna go this way. I'm good here. I'm good on my left side rather than my. Hey, I'm good on my right side. Sorry, I don't know whether because I'm right-handed. I'm really good on my right-handed side, so I'm not gonna really make a mistake here. You're gonna see for the left side, it's gonna look ugly. So basically did it. So we're just gonna hold this part and go like a curly, like this part. So that's just basically it. We're gonna scarf it after all, so let's just leave that one and let's go with the left part. I told you I was horrible. Let's see what it did. I'm really horrible here. Ew. I still made something. I'm really horrible on my left-handed. What did it do? Let's take it like that. Let's take it like that. We're good at this part. Sheesh. I did this. Oh, God help me be professional in edges. This is cute. Not really cute, but yeah. Let's just take a light. So I got his cuff. I'm just gonna fold it. Fold one. Let's fold another one. Another fold. Let's fold another one. There. So we got a piece like this. So we're gonna just put it on it gently. Gently. Please don't shift it up or shift it down, okay? Don't shift it up or shift it down. It's gonna mess up your thingy. Let's just get this thing off. But gently. 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 Lie. Gently. 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 Be careful. It's an egg. my Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. He is so nasty. I like the left side. I don't, but you know, I look cute. I still look. The right side is so gorgeous. It's gorgeous, even though it's a bit cool and wavy. It looks good. Don't you like it? So thank y'all for watching, and comment down below your third. Tell me which is your type. Don't forget to like and share too. Forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And I will see you in the next video.
Butterfly, don't fly away. Crazy trap, how could I say? Please stay, please stay. Butterfly, what a fire ray. Just that I start